Hey guys, it is the LANMonkey, and there's somebody else who seems to be on a call. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I didn't realize you were on a call there.
Sorry, I was talking to Bigfoot at the end of the tunnel there. Letting him know. Hopefully we'll see him this year. We missed him twice.
Oh no.
It's terrible. But we'll try and see him again this year.
Awesome. Hey folks, if you don't recognize this face, so first of all, shame on you.
I didn't know his face either.
Secondly, this is Komikino and the Kid. We'll put a link on the page here somewhere so you can find his awesome YouTube videos all about, you do something. What is it that you do?
We do videos.
Okay, about...
Geocaching videos. So we also do geocaching videos there, so that's where we kind of became associated with. That wasn't me, from this guy here.
All right, so we are at Going APE X, or Going APE X. That makes it like the pinnacle of geocaching events if it's Going APE X.
That's right. That means there's been X amount. You put in a magic number in the X.
Oh, it's math.
Yeah.
No wonder I'm so bad at it.
It's like algebra.
So Komikino and the Kid has already done the lab caches. I've been busy back here at the Caching in the Northwest booth. This cool dude is going to show me some of the lab caches here. This cool dude, that one right there, is going to show me some lab caches while we're here. We're going to go check them out. And then after that, stay tuned, don't stop, because I'm going to take you through the tunnel and we're going to go find some more cool stuff. Before we go do that lab cache, I want to see this, because this is something you can only see at Going Ape.
Phone. It's for you. It's your mom.
And not only is it the ape, but it's the queen of apes. Yay! The ape queen herself. One of the best parts of Megas is getting to connect with other geocachers. At Going Ape X, not only did we get to hang out with Komikino and the Kid, but Bounce Bounce, JT Coffee, Nick Hubbard, the Cashly guy, Lookout Lisa and MC3 Cats, and one friendly face you may see at many different megas. Hey guys, look who I found here at the geocaching event. You may recognize Signal, the geocaching frog. Remember to come out to your local geocaching mega events and meet Signal and get your own picture. Now, before we get tunnel vision, let's talk to a couple of our geocaching friends. Hey guys, it is the LANMonkey. I am still here at Going Ape, and I have found one of my great geocaching friends. It's Lookout Lisa.
Hey, I'm Lookout Lisa from Spokane, Washington. Here volunteering at the APE event. We got up this morning at 4, hit the road at 4:30 to be here in time for my morning shift. Yeah.
So how might people also know Lookout Lisa?
Well, I'm also the owner, proprietress of Cache Advance, the only geocaching store in the U.S., and running Compass Creek Designs as well is one of our other companies, the sister company, where we design coins and medallions and pins along with the geocaching gear through Cache Advance.
Very cool. So anything new and exciting going on at Cache Advance?
Yeah, well, this year, well, every year for the last 5 years now, actually, we've been doing geo tours and geo challenges, and this year is the fun GeoCoin Challenge. And it's 38 caches, I believe. You need to find 34.
Don't check with me. I don't know anything.
You haven't done it. Yeah. I haven't even done all the caches yet, but I've had a hand in helping out with all of them. And you can earn a free coin. Come to Spokane, go to spocash.com. We launched a new website this year.
Excellent.
So that's kind of our overarching new name for our geo challenges that we do.
And that's that name that you see right down at the bottom of the screen here, Spocash.
Spocash.
So go check it out. Visit Spokane. It's a beautiful town.
Thank you. Yeah.
We love coming there. We're going to come back and see you in JD soon.
We would love to have you guys come back. Yeah.
All right.
And come on down to Spokane.
Thanks, Lisa.
You bet.
Guys, it's the LANMonkey chilling out at Going Ape, and I am chilling with one of my favorite app developers,
Nick Hubbard from Cashly.
Nick, tell us really quick, what is Cashly?
Cashly is an iPhone app and iPad app for iOS, and it is an advanced geocaching app. Lots of things like maps and very advanced features for those users that need those kind of things.
Very cool. So you're here at Going Ape. You've got a booth set up, which is really cool. Talking to lots of people.
Yep.
And you just picked up something interesting. You want to share it with us?
Yes, this is the Snag the Tag Ape Geocoin. It's very cool. It has moving parts, opens. It's probably one of the coolest geocoins I've ever seen.
I think you've been corrected. It's not a geocoin, it's a belt buckle.
Oh, it's belt buckle. Yes, that's what Chris of the Northwest corrected us about that.
Yeah, he's very helpful that way. And now for some tunnel inside information. It is me and Chris of the Northwest. You guys must know Chris of the Northwest. He's the guy who runs the Caching the Northwest podcast that I co-host. So if you haven't, check out the link below and you'll find out more about Caching the Northwest.
CachingNW.com.
That's the link, that's what it says. Anyways,
I can read.
we are headed to the opening of the Tunnel of Light. And one of the cool things that...
Besides the strong breeze?
Well, that's what I was going to say. One of the cool things, literally cool thing, we just walked around that bend behind us. You can see behind me where the trail bends. We just walked around there, and all of a sudden, it got cold. It dropped like 10 degrees.
It was like walking into a freezer. I mean, just...
It literally was.
It was a wall of cold air.
It was so cool. So, literally, cool. So now, we're going to go and check out the tunnel. We've got volunteers with warning signs. Seems like it's something important we should probably pay attention to. Are there large crowds in the tunnel?
Possibly at times.
Is there a particular speed we should go?
Slow.
Oh!
You guys look vaguely familiar. Do we know you from somewhere?
Maybe. We do a little Instagram, little videos here and there. Yeah, a little bit here and there.
So if people wanted to find out more, where would they go?
At the Supernauts, Instagram, and YouTube.
Awesome. Follow them on YouTube.
Super.
All right. Thanks for volunteering, guys.
No problem.
So this is the tunnel in the Tunnel of Light portion. Now, down that way, there's a slight bend. It's 2.25 miles. It is a rails to trail project, so railroad grade, which means flat, easy walk, but it is dark. So down that way, I don't know if you can see the lights. There are people coming from that way.
Yep.
But the farther you go into the tunnel, the darker it gets. And because it has that slight bend in it, you don't see that light at the end of the tunnel until you're almost there. So I think it's cool. I just enjoy walking through this tunnel.
Nice and pitch black. Great video.
Okay, so you can see it's completely dark because if I turn this off, I disappear, right?
Pretty much.
So yeah, the tunnel, we're not very far in, but like I said, 2.25 miles of darkness. So if you've got a good flashlight, take extra batteries with you, because if you get halfway through, or even if you get all the way through and you realize your flashlight batteries are starting to die, that could be bad news. It's a long walk back.
All right. Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
All right, guys. So
I'm eating my phone.
crazy, man. Guys, thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. We hope you've had a lot of fun. Remember, check out his channel. Watch out for apes. And have a great geocaching adventure wherever you're going to cache safely and cache often. And with our subterranean shenanigans sated, it's time to thank you for watching and ask you to subscribe, like, and ring that bell so that you don't miss any exciting episodes of our geocaching adventures as we next week return to Season 3 of our Caribbean Caching Calamities.